You know the very first thing I saw in Thailand,
You've been to Thailand?
Did I not mention I've been to Thailand before?
Oh,
shit.
Dude, that was my favorite thing in Bangkok. There are weed trucks.
Like food trucks,
Like
but
food
weed.
trucks,
Yeah.
but like weed trucks.
I went to one called Weed for Less because I wanted to spend less money.
Next time
Yeah.
you're searching for weed for lesser.
Lesser. Weed for free. Free weed.
Trial weed? I'm okay to try it out.
No, he was like, hey, तू कभी कुछ spontaneous करेगा कि हमेशा ऐसे ही
That's how he
बैठा रहेगा?
started.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is this gaslighting shit, dude?
अभी बेचता हूँ सारे म्यूचुअल फंड में तो रुक
तुझे
वो
तुझे
दिखाता
लगता है
हूँ।
मैं नहीं हूँ spontaneous, मैं वो क्या कर रहा है? And I was like, हाँ scuba तो जाना चाहिए भाई Thailand में. Half a day I thought I was thinking about surfing. I don't know. I thought he was scuba diving.
I went to these places and things are legal which are not legal in India.
What do you mean? What's legal there? That's not-
Absinthe, the alcohol.
wow.
I don't know. I have no idea actually.
Snake bites.
In Thailand, fucking the spas, dude.
Like, are you talking about a happy ending? I was
Exactly.
busy doing the legal thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
course.
That's the first thing I
Oh,
did.
happy endings. Nice, dude.
I think that got lost in translation क्योंकि I told back चाहिए क्योंकि my back was fucking aching and I kept doing this also. She gave me a neck massage also. And I
Wait, how do horny uncles sit?
Like this.
was, उनका कभी नीचे ही नहीं
Yeah,
आया.
yeah.
Better है. Hello, welcome to another episode of Spender Vendor. My name's Govind Menon. This is Hoshang Mehni. This is Antariksh Thakkar, and that he used to be there. This time he's here. I was going to say, and that's Antariksh Thakkar.
That bag. That is off
Antarish
camera.
and that is Thakkar.
That is sucker, right?
That's Antariksh, that's Thakkar. I'm so used to being like, and that's Antariksh Thakkar. And I was like, that's Antariksh Thakkar, and that's Antariksh Thakkar.
Yeah.
This is also here, he's also inside.
Also, Antarish is in the same shirt. Which,
That's true,
Yeah,
man.
the
I was
last
just-
episode we uploaded.
I
Antarish is in
thought this the
shirt.
entire evening. I'm like,
Yeah.
fuck, what are the
So,
odds of
guys,
that?
we're shooting actually on
What
the
are
same
the odds?
evening.
Wait, what are the odds?
That's
bol
true.
raha hai?
I wear the
It's
same.
up to you.
No, and also I rotate like all of 10 shirts that you guys have all seen me in.
No, you said what are the odds as if it's not,
It's not
in
my
your control.
Yeah, correct. It's not my wardrobe.
Yeah.
Hey, kahan se aaya hai? Are you shit?
You wore it.
Damn it.
Yeah, because I remember, I think we complimented his shirt a lot in the
Yeah,
last
yeah.
episode.
Now I just
I
wear
guess
this.
This is it.
Now this is all I wear.
Honestly, I saw your Thailand photos. You were
Yeah.
wearing the same. I think this is all you
I
wear.
have 10 pairs of this because you guys complimented it.
Yeah, how you have 20 black t-shirts.
Yes.
It's
Yeah,
the same
Yes.
shirt.
This is the exact
This
one.
is blue.
No different
this
colors.
Is blue.
No, but in general, you
I know.
Yeah.
I know. I think after that, I was like, I'll just get the other colors.
Oh,
There'll
yeah,
be
just
nothing
solid.
on it. It's just the other colors.
We'll AI correct it to black actually. That's
Post will
yeah,
switch
It's fine.
But no, so we have been away for a long
yes,
time.
we all have been individually away.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
you and
yeah.
two.
It's not like we became broke and stopped doing the show.
Actually, now because of all
we are broke
trips,
a little.
Yeah.
No, actually, you two were spending money. I was busy making money. Yeah.
making.
Which
I
is
was really busy
which is
spending.
opposite of what it is usually.
I was
Yeah.
spending so much.
you, guys,
thing is-
you guys
yeah.
spend money on
Yeah,
the same thing.
it's
but
very
yeah,
weird.
same
separately.
place.
Yeah.
We both were in
Yeah,
Thailand.
yeah.
Which is,
It's very weird because I barely even make money to spend it. How did I manage that? I'm done. My savings are done. Nothing is left. All
Dude,
done.
What savings,
Yeah.
dude? I think I took out all the mutual funds that weren't doing well. I was like, all of you come out. All of you come out
I need to
right
go diving,
now.
dude.
Like,
Fuck.
at a loss, I was like,
Yeah.
just come out. I need to go to 7-Eleven in Thailand. This is what I'm using
Bro.
all my mutual fund money. Not all my mutual fund
Using
money.
mutual
Like,
funds
Yeah.
for 7-Eleven is crazy behavior.
But
एक जगह का म्यूचुअल फंड का ये आई ग्रो में थोड़े जो थे I was like
Yeah.
just come out and it takes 2 days by the way so this was pre-planned
Correct.
I removed it as like by the time I'm in Bangkok the money will-
My account.
but if you see the 7-Elevens of Thailand, it makes sense.
Oh,
Yeah,
You
but
want to
sorry,
have money for that.
Yeah.
For context, both of us were in Thailand
Yeah.
at around the same time.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
didn't meet. Not together.
Yeah,
I think that's what I told my wife.
Yeah, they're
I was
only
just-
friends in Bombay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I saw him wear this shirt. I was like, I'm not meeting
Not-
this
not
guy
this guy,
again.
yeah. Yes.
No, but we were like what? 1 hour apart, 2 hours apart or
Yeah,
something.
by
like,
sea,
Yeah.
separated by sea.
Yeah.
It's like
like
star- it's
separate
like-
islands. That's
Like
it.
star-crossed lovers.
But
between a sea.
I saw Antariksha's photos and I knew that he was gonna go to Thailand. So both of us were like
Yeah.
expecting you to be in
Yeah,
Thailand.
and then suddenly,
I was away for a week and I
Yeah.
didn't speak to Govind as much because otherwise we talk almost every day. Okay?
Yeah.
And
Oh,
one evening I called him just to like catch up what's going on because he was in Bangalore recording
Yeah.
this video, which will be
Yeah.
out soon.
Yes, I have a stand-up video coming out.
It's
So, yes.
incredibly funny.
Yeah.
We just
Very,
watched
very
it.
funny.
Very
good.
soon. It
Yes.
depends
Yes.
on if I want. It'll come
Yeah,
fast.
it'll come.
Yeah.
And,
it's good that you put it out first. Now he has to
Now
put it
he
out
has to
faster.
put it
No, I will put it out, but no, we as soon as editing is
And
done,
it's the best stand-up video you ever seen.
Hey. It's not. Don't even.
it's the best stand-up video to come out of this room.
That's very funny.
Other competition himself because we had
My
neither of
older
us.
videos are the competition.
But I just called him to just like ask him how the recording went and yevo. And while hanging up, while like we're wrapping up the call, just in passing, he was like, "Hey, so we can't shoot on the 16th because I'm going to Thailand tomorrow." I'm like, what?
Not tomorrow. After 3-4
Like,
days,
2-3
I think.
days.
Yeah.
Like, what do you mean you're going to Thailand? This
How
is
did it
never
come
part
out?
of
What
the
is his plan?
No. So my friend called me.
You have other friends?
Dude, honestly, I'm always surprised.
Is it
every
really?
time he mentioned, I know he has other friends. He's
Yeah.
mentioned them many times, but every time he's like, I'm
But-
going out with this friend. I'm like, who?
But
Dude,
dude,
listen,
Hoshang, you
I
gotta
did
remember
grow
no-
up here.
Yeah, that's true
So
also.
I
Yeah, I
mean,
keep forgetting.
And-
a
that.
lot of them are not here.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
And also, Hoshang keeps naming his other friends like Navkar. Everyone knows Navkar.
Navkar
That's
At this
true.
point.
Yeah,
We don't
yeah.
name drop our other friends.
Yeah, I don't name
That's
drop
not,
my other
that's
friends.
not a thing people usually do.
Yeah. I
But
don't name
no,
drop
the
them.
issue is, I've also introduced you guys to Navkar and Tanvi.
I don't.
many
I've
times.
never met them.
What are you talking about? You met Navkar and Tanvi both.
They
Yeah.
have met them
Just-
probably.
I
all
know
the
them very
time.
well,
First very-
but I've never met
the
them.
very first episode we recorded, they had come on the terrace.
I'm supposed to remember this shit. I don't know. Sorry,
That's
I
on
don't
you,
know.
dude.
I don't know. I don't.
That was so rude.
I don't know. I don't know.
But you never introduce your friends.
I
to-
like to keep all the groups separate.
Why?
Worlds
Don't
colliding.
ask me why. I don't know. I don't know
Oh,
why.
did you never have like joint birthday parties? Like,
I had it
between-
once or twice. It was a nightmare, and I just did not.
Did you
after
feel
that.
like you weren't giving people enough time, or what? Why was it?
I
like
was just
that?
like, why the fuck are all of them together? They're
Yeah.
from different areas of my life, different times
true.
of my life.
I actually love this. I actually love mixing my friends. And like
I-
seeing how this friend also got along with this friend. Oh,
No,
that's crazy.
I'm always like, I don't think they'll get
Yeah.
along. I'm
Oh.
bitter.
That
All of my
anxiety
friends
too.
are bitter.
Oh,
Like,
shit.
I know that bitterness won't like make them like each other. So I'm like, I won't.
If
Yeah.
I'm introducing my friends to another group, I make sure that the friends I'm introducing are like fun people.
Yeah, of course,
sure,
of course,
sure.
of course, yeah.
There are certain friends I'll never
No,
introduce
same,
to
same.
other
Certain
groups.
friends I also
Never,
would
never.
not.
Govind doesn't think any of his friends are cool enough to meet other friends.
No.
No, no, we are those friends.
We are,
They
yeah, we have never met other friends of Govind.
You met some of them. You at like Lola and all that.
Oh, he's
And
supposed
other
to,
people-
he's supposed to remember that shit, dude.
Actually, I don't.
You don't. That's all right.
He never made a plan to meet those guys. We ran into them.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
that-
yeah,
that-
because I
so,
knew
yeah.
I'd run into them there.
Yeah,
But
so
honestly,
yes.
whatever. Yeah, I did go to Thailand.
Yeah.
Scuba diving. No, he just
I think
called
Thailand
me.
is the best country. That's,
My,
oh, sorry,
I
you were
think my
saying.
friend also sold it in a. Actually, he didn't even sell it that well. I just wanted to go.
yeah,
but
yeah,
no,
yeah.
he was like, hey, तो तू कभी कुछ spontaneous करेगा कि हमेशा ऐसे ही
That's how he
बैठा रहेगा?
started?
Yeah, yeah.
What is this gaslighting shit, dude?
Yeah. कि
Wow.
बस ऐसे ही बैठा रहेगा कुछ spontaneous करेगा
Wow.
क्या? I was like, मैं करूँगा ना spontaneous. I was like, फिर क्या? How did he make me feel like? Hey,
अभी बेचता हूँ सारे म्यूचुअल फंड्स में तो रुक
तुझे
तो
तुझे
दिखाता
लगता है
हूँ।
मैं नहीं हूँ spontaneous मैं हूँ क्या कर रहा है? He
ये ले,
was
सारी
like-
सेविंग बेच दी अब बोल कहाँ जाना है?
He was like Thailand चलेगा क्या? And honestly, I was
It
thinking
looks like he
for a
asked you
while-
on a date, by the way. Spontaneous nahi hai tu.
no.
You got to be
I'm-
spontaneous. Let's go to Thailand. Let's get out
And
of the
he was like,
country.
scuba diving जाते हैं. By the way, a thing I'd never thought about in my life.
Yeah.
Wow.
And I was like, हाँ scuba diving तो जाना चाहिए भाई. Thailand में क्यों नहीं जाना चाहिए scuba diving? For I think half a day, I thought I was thinking about surfing. I don't know. I thought he was scuba diving. I was like, हाँ थोड़ा.
क्या मस्त तैरेंगे इसलिए में.
I was imagining Govind showing up with a
Yeah.
surfboard और वहाँ पे वो पानी के अंदर जा रहे हैं. Like, hey, this is what I signed up for.
अबे ऊपर रहना है नीचे नहीं. But then after a day later, I was like, oh wait, scuba diving is different.
Very different.
Very different.
But surfing also would. Is there
I know.
surfing in Thailand?
I don't know if
Yeah,
they
of
have
course.
waves. Do they have
No,
waves?
Thailand में कम है, श्रीलंका में बहुत है.
Oh.
फिलीपींस में भी आई थिंक है, इंडिया में भी काफी जगह है. इंडिया में मणिपाल में है, वर्कला में है, गोवा में है.
But when you decided to go to Thailand, how many days before you took the flight?
So I was in Bombay only, just about to go to Bangalore. I think, I I don't know, like maybe 8-9 days, maximum 10 days
Yeah.
before the
Yeah.
trip. I was just like, "ठीक है," and then in Bangalore I booked everything, and then I went to Thailand. By the way, I went to this place called Koh Tao. It's a small island, and honestly, it's great. Good. I went. It was so good. It's such what a place, dude. Thailand as a whole,
Dude,
what a
it's the
place. The Indian uncles just ruined that fucking place ka image, dude. It's such a nice place.
So some realistic things about Thailand. So I went to firstly Bangkok, Phuket, Koh
I
Samui.
just feel like the need to mention, guys, I've also been to
Yes,
Thailand.
correct.
No, no,
Sure,
because
sure.
you
guys are
So we
talking
have
about-
a
How
yeah,
you been?
exactly.
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah, yeah.
mentioned, by the way, this is the
Yes.
second time I've been to Thailand. So
Same here actually. Second
Yeah,
time. First
second
time was
time.
with parents. This time. So like I went to these places and beautiful. Okay,
Yeah.
things are legal which are not legal in India.
Yeah,
Good
yeah,
times.
yes.
But also another thing which is
What
very
do you
rampant.
mean? What's legal there? That's not legal.
Absinthe, the
Oh,
alcohol.
wow.
I don't know. I have no idea actually.
Snake bites.
Snake bites. not
Snake
legal.
bites
You get bitten by
are
snake.
legal.
You know the very first thing I saw in Thailand, like we got out of the airport.
You've been to Thailand?
Did I not mention I've been to Thailand before?
Oh,
Oh
dude.
shit.
Oh,
Okay.
nice, yeah.
But the very first thing we saw was a barber shop which was named Hitler Barber Shop.
Oh.
Yeah, that's the very first. I just wanted to put that out. I
Wow,
think being
dude.
a Nazi is also legal there.
Wow.
So
Yeah, wow, right.
Wow.
What do you-
anyway, yeah, you were
So
saying.
no, and so one thing that is rampant, which is not as out in the open in India, is hookers
Yeah.
are everywhere in Thailand.
Yeah.
And the number one person who approaches them is old Indian uncles.
Yeah.
And it's always never creepy and never funny, never not funny.
Never not creepy
Ne-
also.
And never not creepy and
Huh.
never not
Did you
funny.
say never creepy?
Oh, never
Yeah,
creepy
yeah,
and never not funny.
creepy to go.
It's never creepy.
I said it wrong. I forgot. I need two negatives there. Yeah. It's-
Dude,
yeah.
I took Thai Air, paid a little extra so that I didn't see Indian uncles. Second I reached baggage drop, I was like, this feels
Right.
disgusting that I'm going to Thailand right now, man. That's
Because you should have thought about it. Only old creepy uncles can afford to take a Thai Air flight.
Arey, they're
also.
everywhere.
Like,
Viet
they will
Jet
spend extra
also.
money.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
Fuck, I
can't
didn't-
escape horny uncles.
And you can't escape Indians in general, dude. It's just
Yeah,
what it is.
that's
They're
true.
everywhere.
When I was coming back, Bangkok ke airport pe, I was walking towards my gate, and then I kept walking. I was like, ये थोड़ा कोने में लग रहा है. And then I realized India Bombay वाले flight और सब कोने में रखा है कि because I went out and then I had time, so I went out. I walked around the airport, and the second I walked out a little bit, I was like, oh, these are all white people here and like Thai people and like
Absolutely.
just no Indians. Second, you go to that corner, just Indians. I was like, सबको ठूस के रखा है यहाँ पर so that no one
So
sees
again,
it.
like talking about the airport there, okay, dude, their airport process is so fucking
Oh, it's
smooth.
so fast.
You know, you can check in and then come out of the airport, smoke a cigarette, and go back
Yeah.
in if you
Yeah.
want.
But
Yeah,
see,
yeah. You
can't do
outside
that
of
shit here.
India, a lot of airports now are the same. You
Yeah.
can to enter the first layer, anyone can enter.
Correct, yeah.
And then uske baad, obviously,
And that's the way
with
it should be,
security
dude.
and all.
At least all these countries feels like treat their humans as humans.
Yeah.
Unlike India, dude, we are fucking a herd.
Yeah.
Dude, you guys have heard this, right? When you spend only the best IPL VIP tickets are sometimes decent. Otherwise, you're always gonna have a bad viewing
Oh,
experience. if you
yeah,
go for an
always,
IPL.
always.
IPL.
Yeah,
oh.
IPL.
Yeah.
Always, because our facilities are bad, toilets are terrible.
Yeah.
Fucking पानी नहीं है, पानी अंदर लेके जाने नहीं देते, खुद का वहाँ पे खरीदना पड़ता है, फिर और महंगा. You can only go to certain stations to get water, dude. And it's out in the open. They don't have enough proper ventilation because it's a stadium. What are you gonna do? It's already hot.
Dude,
They
you
don't
watch
make any-
cricket live?
No, but I've seen a great
Oh.
video by Mohak
This felt
Mangal.
personal. Fucking, what
But
the fuck?
they
This felt so
Yeah,
personal.
correct.
I
I
have
was
no
like,
idea about any
I've
of
been
this
to-
because I watched like live cricket only once in my life, an IPL
really?
match, and
Oh,
I
I've
was
in
in a presidential box.
oh wow.
Yeah, so
baller, dude.
I also don't care about cricket at
Yeah,
all.
same.
The food was great.
Presidential
At
box,
Box
dude.
in
Yeah.
Jaipur,
The
yeah.
president was eating with you, man. That's fucking amazing, dude.
I also don't care about cricket. The one time I watched cricket live was in Trinidad when I got paid. Yeah, when I got paid to
Nice.
go there,
Yeah.
and they
So
to
not even
watch-
Indian cricket.
Also,
You want to watch
left
Indian
midway
cricket?
through, didn't
No.
you? Because you wanted
Arey,
to go shop.
They no, we didn't want to go shop. We watched it. Afghanistan was in Australia or something, I
Yeah.
guess. Afghanistan was batting first. I think they first innings was them, and then I think they got all out at 68 or something. So we were like, wait, let's go, dude. What the fuck are we going to watch, dude?
68 all out.
68. 68.
You
follow
watched,
kar rahe.
yeah, what are the worst matches in history of
Yeah,
cricket you
I'm
watched?
like, what are we watching, dude? Let's go home. Let's sleep. We were there for 1.5 days. I was like, this is 1/4 of my
My
trip,
day, yeah,
dude.
that's
Let's
true.
go back.
And you're probably one of the few people in the audience who will not feel bad about missing the match. Also,
I didn't
because
know
you
any
wanna be
player.
there. Yeah.
I didn't know any
You were
player.
getting
Oh.
paid to be there.
And right before that, I met Bran Lara, by the way. Just saying,
But
someone.
was it a full stadium, by the way? Was it a packed
It was
stadium?
it was a nearly full stadium, small stadium. It wasn't a big
okay.
stadium,
Oh,
but like it was a good stadium, nice food also. But yeah,
Better than India?
I mean, it was a very small stadium.
Very
India may will be. I think the stadiums here will be better. But
That's
I've
the
not
thing,
been.
dude. Like, you come back from any country and instantly India sucks about everything.
hai,
The
wo
roads
to
suck,
hai.
the fucking
Yeah,
rain
yeah,
suck,
yeah,
everything is
yeah,
dirty.
yeah.
Dude, it rained all of twice when I was in Thailand. It
It
poured.
rained there when
It
you were
poured.
there? Oh.
But you don't get dirty, dude, because there's no like kachra and fucking mud everywhere.
Thailand
Yeah.
is not as
Clean as you think.
other
But
countries.
dude,
Yeah.
compared to India, everything
Compared
is
to
very
India-
clean.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's
Listen,
true.
you
You-
can't
it
make
feels
this
like a
an
wonder,
India
dude.
trashing
Dude,
podcast,
I was-
okay?
Well, sorry, dude.
I mean, honestly, I was
But
like,
India, step up your fucking game, dude.
Yeah.
dude, every time I leave this country, I have to wait at the zebra crossing to cross. So that in itself, every time I leave this country, and then I come back, I'm like, this is the only country where I'm not doing this.
No, by the way, Thailand is not that strict towards
Yeah,
zebra
yeah,
crossing.
Bangkok
yeah.
is. Bangkok
Bangkok
not
was?
strict, but like
But
everyone
people
was
follow
following.
rules. वही है.
Yeah, but like,
No, not as
Yeah,
much.
not
but
as much,
वैसे
yeah,
देखा जाए
across
तो
all
a
of
lot of countries
yeah,
they
correct.
jaywalk
Yeah,
a
jaywalk,
lot,
yeah,
but-
correct. Yeah.
But like I'm just saying it's way more. यहाँ पे
For
there
sure.
are dude यहाँ पे zebra crossing मेरे घर के बाजू में I've seen them paint that in the last 10 years at least 30 times.
Pointlessly.
And it just keeps going away.
Yeah, of
I'm
course.
like, what are you guys using, dude? Why does it keep going away? Just put something that stays. And then any other country, I'm like, how does this stay? Everything.
Exactly,
There are
dude.
no chips. It's fucking perfect, dude. The zebra
Yeah.
crossing.
In Thailand, fucking the spas, dude. Did you get any?
I
Did you get
got one.
massages?
I got one back,
Oh,
and
man.
dude, like I think that got lost in translation. Because I said back chahiye, because my back was fucking aching, and I kept doing this also. She gave me a neck massage also, and I was like, oh shit. And I'm so used to the Indian,
Yeah.
I was like, oh man, that's 200 baht more probably. No, it was the same price. I was
Yeah.
like, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, thank you.
I'm not that big on massages. Though.
I
Like,
wasn't-
got one in Thailand as well.
Yeah.
And because I went with people who make money in dollars, they went to the fanciest places.
Sure.
And I went for a massage, and I was like, yeah, this is fine only.
Okay,
Dude,
but
I mean-
wait, did you get like full body
I
massage?
got a full body massage.
Did you also get a full body massage?
I mean, legs, back, and neck. Is that full body?
Like-
pretty much.
It's
Yeah,
full
what-
body only.
like
what's
you were
left?
on like a bed and they were
Yeah,
like
yeah,
on you
yeah,
and all,
yeah.
no?
Like, are you talking about a happy ending?
No, I'm not.
what?
Okay.
I'm not. No, so
you
see,
said you kept
no,
saying full body, full
no,
body.
it's
actually,
full.
This is full
No,
body.
see,
No,
I
dude.
also got like only foot massages. I also got only head
Oh, no,
massages
this
like
was
that.
together.
I only
full.
went once.
I'm
और
sorry,
उसमें
why
बोला
did
कि
you do
पूरा
this?
एक
Oh,
बार में
okay.
कर दो.
So, dude, each time I got these massages, I would just pass out for like a good hour.
yeah, same.
Oh, yeah,
Okay?
yeah, that
and
too,
it's the one of the best sleeps,
That's
naps
true, that's true.
And
ever.
honestly,
And
the
those were
one,
rejuvenating.
the place I went to, it's right next to the beach, and the window opens
Wow,
to the beach.
I
And
can't
was
even
this is-
imagine, dude.
Then later, while walking on the beach, I saw that there's an outside area also
Yeah.
where you directly look like you're facing the beach. I was like, this is even better.
Yeah.
So people can look at you getting a massage though.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
that's
To
also
there,
weird.
it's. I mean,
That's fine. Everyone's getting massages.
it's not. Again, they're not
Correct.
getting a happy
Yeah, that's
ending.
true.
Like,
Yes,
it's
that's
just
true.
a massage.
That's true.
Dude, my friend
Man.
fucking duped me, okay? So we were gone for, I think we had gone for 10, 12 days, out
Yeah.
of which we were 7 days were in Phuket and some island, and the last 3 days were in Bangkok, okay?
Okay.
And he's like, oh no, we'll go to Bangkok, we'll do this, we'll do that. And I wasn't too excited to go to Bangkok because I know it's like a city only. Like the food is great, all of that is there, but it's another city. I want
But I like seeing what another big city is like.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
But
Yeah.
I just wanted to be around beaches
Yeah.
and yes, sir. We go to Bangkok and he has an office there.
Wow.
So he only took us to Bangkok so he could go to office. So even the massage place was in the middle of the trade center.
Oh, dude.
Why
That's
am I
terrible.
here? I'm just
Be
going-
here
This
while
is
I
where-
take
yeah.
a quick train
Yeah.
to my office and
Yeah,
come.
this is that's exactly where office people will take in a lunch break, go get a massage, come back.
So he only showed us places near his
Wow,
office.
that's hilarious.
That's
What a
so
waste.
funny.
What a waste.
Hey, where's the rest of Bangkok? No, this is the only.
Yeah.
This is
But
the
we were
only pin
also
code.
supremely broke by the time we reached Bangkok.
Yeah.
So we're like, okay, no, wherever you
Yeah,
take
yeah,
us, we're fine.
Hey, you will pay also? You have office, bro. Office here you have. We're
No,
not
but
earning
the
here.
one thing, I mean, I've heard about this a lot, and last time I went, I didn't really use it. But the 7-Elevens is
Dude,
I didn't know it was
dude,
this
that's
good,
my
dude.
biggest regret.
Really, absolutely.
Wait, not going to 7-Eleven a lot.
Again, because the people I went with, they don't care about 7-Eleven.
Oh
I'm
man.
sorry.
I only went there twice.
So
Dude,
I,
sometimes
Yeah.
I'd like get conscious and be like, I'm in a 7-Eleven. Why? When did I enter a 7-Eleven?
so I don't think most people listening to this podcast will understand the difference between a 7-Eleven in Thailand.
I mean, if you've
and
been to
whatever shitty
Thailand,
7-Eleven
sure.
you have in
The
India.
ones who've been to Thailand
Yeah.
would know.
Oh, okay. So
but if
only
you're planning to go to Thailand, and please just explore
have to.
as many 7-Elevens as you can because it's fucking
No, I mean, it's all the same, I'm guessing.
yeah.
Some are different, some are.
But
yeah.
dude, they have like ready to eat food, which is amazing. You can make a thing that we started doing, no, because we were traveling with Kirti's friends. Okay, so they've been like a few times before
Kirti
this.
is the missus.
Kirti is my wife, and they basically taught us this thing: take a bottle of soju, okay, mix it in a glass or whatever you get, and take Yakult, that
Salman
probiotic.
Khan.
Yes, correct.
yeah.
Yes, take Salman Khan. You pour it together, mix ice in it, and you keep walking the streets, sipping that, getting drunk, and
Yeah.
it's beautiful. It doesn't. Soju also hits you. It doesn't taste like
Yeah,
alcohol at all.
yeah.
It just hits you a little
Yeah.
later. So it's like the best fucking high. Oh man, I
Dude,
can't
just
talk
the fact
enough
that you
about-
can pick up an ice glass.
Dude,
And then you can just make your own fun drink there,
That is
dude.
amazing,
the options,
dude.
there are so many options.
I was
Exactly
busy
right.
doing the legal thing.
yeah, the
Of
legal
course,
thing.
Of
Yeah.
course.
That's the first thing I
Oh,
did.
happy endings. Nice, dude.
You said that literally after I
Yes.
said that's the first thing I did. You said that.
I reached, I was sad, I want to be
At
happy.
the airport only. I was like, right now.
And they're like, sorry, don't do that. You're like, no, I'm in Bangkok.
No. Please. And behind me was 75 Indian uncles.
Waiting
like,
in line.
"Yeah, milta hai kya?"
But
But no,
yes,
no.
dude.
The legal.
Oh man.
The legal stuff is also amazing, dude. Oh
Hey,
my
I
God.
mean, did you know what weed was? I figured when I went there, I was like,
Yeah,
what
I've never
is
had
this
weed
thing?
ever before
No
because
proof.
it's only legal there. It's the only place you can have it.
That's what I was amazed by. Like, this is a thing in the world?
Yeah, what?
Like, you can
You
just...
can smoke plants? It's so
Yeah.
weird.
That's
Crazy
very
experience.
weird,
Very
dude.
weird.
I mean, tobacco is also a plant, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, it
Tobacco
is a
is
plant.
it a plant?
Yeah, it is a
Ah,
plant
it's a
actually. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
But a green plant you can
Yeah,
smoke?
you can smoke.
Tobacco is also, I think, in the beginning green. I'm not sure. I'm
I
actually
mean,
not
most
sure.
plants would be
Most
green.
plants
Yeah.
are green.
I guess it's the
Photosynthesis,
same
I
thing.
guess.
Yeah.
Our plant
Mitochondria.
is dried up there, which looks like tobacco now. If I could just show you.
Where?
That plant. Remember we ordered it from Blinkit.
Oh.
I only see the.
Yeah, because it's all dried
vase.
up, so it's all brown, so it looks like tobacco.
No, but
Okay.
dude, the first thing I did was
Yeah.
walk to a dispensary.
Dude.
And like, I went to my hotel. I told
Oh,
them.
you bought
ki-
medicine. Oh, nice, nice.
No, I think we can just talk
Okay,
about
okay.
it.
Dude, it's
Sorry.
legal there.
No, it's legal there. We did it
We
there.
did
not
that,
doing it
dude.
Here.
Never here.
Yeah,
Never, no one
never-
would hear, boys.
I don't know
and
what
girls.
you're talking about.
Yeah.
But I went to the hotel,
Yeah.
gave them my bags, and then I went on Google Maps. I was like, dispensary. Then
Nice.
next, I was like 7-Eleven. I
Nice.
was like, okay,
Nice.
these two things.
Perfect,
No,
dude.
but then I don't know what. I walked half an hour to find a dispensary. Yeah, half an hour. The one near my hotel was shut or hadn't
Oh.
opened yet. So
But they were
I-
everywhere, dude.
No, I mean I couldn't
Oh, you were
find
in-
another
you were in
one.
Koh Tao?
There was no Bangkok.
Bangkok.
There was another one called. That was the second place I was going to. It was called Good Weeds.
Yeah.
WEEDZ.
I love when the review is in the name itself.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
What do we sell? Great weed.
WEEDZ. Okay,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
I was walking. I looked at the map, and it was some by lane. Okay, I entered the by lane. Still couldn't find it. I was like, I'm not searching good weeds this much. I'll go search the next one. And then I searched the next one. I entered, and right before that, I'd heard ki they're criminalizing weed
Yeah.
now.
Okay,
Apple.
हाँ, yeah, yeah.
Or you need a
Correct.
medical,
Of course.
what do you call it?
Prescription to
A
find leaves.
prescription,
Yeah,
yeah.
correct.
So I reached
Yeah.
that place. I entered. I was like, hey, so do I need a medical
You're like,
certificate?
"Fuck
and
that."
she's like, I don't know English. I was like, then
Great.
give.
Give. Just
Then
give me
just
everything.
give.
Yeah, correct.
Done. I asked once. That's enough. Give. She's like, hybrid indica. I was like, okay, great.
Great.
Let's take all
Indicas,
of it.
The dispensary I went to in Bangkok was called Shiva.
Oh, yeah. Oh, nice. I went to one called Weed for Less because I wanted to spend less money. Dude. That's literally called Weed for Less.
Next time
Yeah.
you're searching for weed for lesser.
Weed for free. Free weed.
Trial weed? Like, I'm okay to try it out.
I kid you not. You know what I did? I didn't want to go to the first dispensary because I immediately from the airport to the hotel, I
hotel.
saw all the dispensaries
Yeah, yeah.
everywhere. So I thought like let me see the reviews of the weed and like go to the
You had
good
that
ones.
much patience?
Yeah, but
Did you go to
dude,
Goodweeds?
all of them have 4.8, 4.9.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
look, every people get happy,
It's
dude.
weed,
Yeah, they're all gonna be good weed. They're like, oh fuck, this doesn't make any
Go
sense.
from a country which doesn't sell
Yeah.
weed.
Yes.
I just realized they make you happy. When I went there and I did
Yeah.
it for the first time, is
Oh,
when
yeah,
I
correct, of
realized.
course.
Oh
No
yeah,
idea.
I'd heard of it because I had like did my research.
I've
and
seen
stuff
I've
on
seen
Reddit.
Hollywood movies.
I've seen
Snoop
Seth
Dogg,
Rogen
yes.
movies.
I
Like,
listen
what
to
is he
Snoop
up
Dogg.
That's how I
And the
knew.
songs he talks
That's
about.
how I knew. But even Kotha had a bunch of this. Dude, in Bangkok I found this dispensary outside a petrol pump.
Yeah.
ऐसे भाई ये तो यहाँ
मस्त
पे
है यार।
सिगरेट बेचते हैं वहाँ
हाँ भाई।
पर पेट्रोल पंप पे आई हैव ऑलवेज हर्ड कि वहाँ नहीं फूकना चाहिए एक शॉप कैसे खोल दिया उसने वहाँ पे कि
Dude, that was my favorite thing in Bangkok. There are weed trucks.
yeah
Yeah.
this was like
Like
a
food
truck
trucks,
Like
but
food
weed.
trucks,
Yeah.
like weed trucks.
this was
Fucking awesome,
exactly
dude.
a food truck like
Yeah.
it was a food truck but with
Dude,
weed
Yeah, and so this is already rampant. in-
weed am I pronouncing it correctly
It's
weed
weed.
yeah
Yeah.
okay
What?
Weed.
Weed.
It's
okay,
called
got it.
Some
Weed.
people may call it marijuana.
Yeah.
marijuana oh
Yeah,
marijuana
marijuana.
Can you imagine if they would ever legalize it in India?
I
It would be a rampant,
Yeah.
dude. Imagine the tax dollars that the government would earn because
Yeah.
they are getting good tax money out
For
of
sure.
this. And the thing is, so now, so it's been legal now for a few years now in Thailand, right?
In Thailand,
They are
yeah.
gonna. The word on the street is that they're passing laws which will.
The word on the street is English nahi aata. ठीक
हाँ,
है?
firstly that. So
and then you're like then give
Yeah, they're
then
giving-
just
that's the
give
word.
to it let's
so they are legalizing it. They're decriminalizing
Yeah.
it to a certain extent again. But dude, they can never take it away completely because of how rampant it is everywhere.
You sound like a
tourism.
stoner.
Yeah.
That if we just remove that last sentence,
Yeah.
you're just like, but they can never
Never take it away
take
from
it
us.
away
from us.
away from us.
You can take our or you can take our honor, but you will never take
You
our
will
freedom.
never take it
As
away.
long as I'm alive.
Nice.
The emphasis on never was.
हम खून मांगो खून देंगे गांजा मारो मांगो गांजा भी दे देंगे
But okay, moving on from the the
Yeah, bro,
legal
wait.
stuff.
What else did you spend a lot of money on? In Thailand?
7-Eleven, scuba diving,
It's good, I mean.
the legal stuff,
Yeah, and-
food.
Dude, but the coffee.
The coffee.
Oh, dude, that's
Yeah.
actually the
Epic.
thing I spend the
I
most.
spent the most amount of money on my coffee. I went to every cafe I saw.
Dude, I was like, honestly, I shouldn't have had this much coffee.
Yeah,
I would,
yeah,
if
yeah,
I'd
yeah.
see a cafe, I'd be like, then give, dude. I think you also just give.
So sometimes there would be a coffee shop next to a dispensary. I'm like, this
Nice.
is a dream.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
there was a dispensary and a coffee shop.
Yeah,
okay,
it's
I
like
found
same.
one
The cafe,
near my
weed
hotel.
cafes, yeah.
Yeah, near my hotel, I saw one and. Bahar sign tha, we are open, come
Yeah.
in. I was like, okay, then
Yeah.
I went in because
Yeah.
they said come in. And that guy was like,
Anyone
"Hi."
says come in, you go. Huh? That's very
Yeah,
good, bro.
If I see welcome mats,
Yeah,
I'm
it's
like,
like,
okay,
I-
I'm
I
welcome
guess
here.
I'm
Then I
welcome.
just enter. Nahi, but I entered this coffee shop and that guy's like, hi. And looked a little confused.
Oh,
I was
okay.
like, hi, can I have an iced latte?
Huh?
And he's like, sorry, we're closed. And I was like, but you said open, we're open.
No English, sorry.
Then he was like, oh, it says we're open. Oh, I'm so sorry, dude. I forgot. I was like, he's
He's
so
so high.
stoned, dude. He's so
It's
high.
okay, bro. It's okay.
Yeah.
You relax
I
to
was like,
check
no,
out.
it's okay. Then he's like, oh, I'm so sorry, man. I was like, yeah, I'll go, dude.
I thought he was like, oh, I guess we are open, so you want a nice latte? I'll make you one.
He got confused.
No, I think he also said कि we've been shut for a while. I was like, you just forgot, dude. It said
I'm
we're open.
surprised. What if you told him, bro, it's 5 p.m. in the evening?
It wasn't that late, by the way.
Yeah.
It actually was not. The sun was out. It was, which is why I entered because I didn't think any
Yeah.
place would be shut.
Dude, that sign has been there for the last 2 days.
Actually, the shop is
Yeah.
gone. It's shut. He's just there inside. But the coffee is genuinely
Dude,
great.
Excellent.
So
Excellent.
good. And they're so generous with their coffee.
Dude,
also.
food in general. I had like amazing roast chicken.
Yeah.
I had like a lot of pork, fucking beautiful.
I had
Mango
duck.
sticky rice, huh?
I had duck also.
I had you duck? Oh, great.
There was this
I
place.
tried everything.
There was this place called 995 Duck. And then I was like, I can't have chicken here. I need to have duck.
True.
So then
There
I
was
had
crocodile available to have in
No,
one
no,
night
no.
market. I was
Street
going,
market, na?
yeah,
Street food,
in the street
yeah,
food,
yeah,
but I
yeah.
didn't have. Yeah, I was very
Crocodile.
tempted to. I want to try it once.
Crocodile, I don't know what
Yeah.
it'll taste like, but
I really want to go to Bangkok, but with broke people. Like Thailand, but with broke people.
I mean, the thing is,
Yeah.
you'll still spend more than you
No, I'll
would
still
want.
spend, but the thing is, the experiences we would have were very different than what I had to do.
Sure, yeah, that makes sense.
Dude, you say I had to do as if
It wasn't
you had
bad.
to
Like,
do.
it was still a great
Your
fucking
had
trip.
to do was a yacht.
Yeah, dude. You had to be on a yacht?
Oh man,
Oh,
I'm
dude,
so
that sucks,
sorry
dude.
for
A
you.
private yacht, and
Oh,
we went
dude.
on an island
Tough-
tour.
tough
We
life,
covered
dude.
6
That
islands
sucks,
in a
man.
day
You
on
had
my
to do
private
that?
yacht.
Yeah.
You had to do that.
Yeah.
You had to go.
I was forced to
on,
do
oh
it.
man, I'm so
Oshang.
I was
sorry.
forced
Oshang.
to drink not Henneken, Hennessy
Yeah.
Yeah,
at the edge of my
Henneken
yacht.
Yeah.
Ah man, looking at the ocean, the
Yeah,
blue ocean. Fuck, I'm so sorry,
It was
dude.
the worst time of my life, Govind. You'll never believe. That's why I had to
Fuck.
smoke so much weed.
Legal weed.
Legal weed.
Only
I smoked
there,
so much
never
legal
There,
weed.
there, not
There.
here, there.
Yeah. At the shore.
How much mango sticky rice did you have?
I didn't have too much.
You
I
did?
had a.
I had every
a
other
once,
every other
but
place, dude. After
every
every
day.
other meal, I had
Yeah,
mango
yeah,
sticky
yeah,
rice. Fucking
I had it. I had other stuff. I just kept having a lot of 7-Eleven. I
Sure,
also
yeah.
went to 99. There, like that island had like.
Oh, these many restaurants?
No, they
Oh,
had a
okay.
lot, dude. In fact, after a while, I was like, "How you getting these things on this island, dude?
Yeah.
This is
Yeah.
just in the middle of the ocean. Anything I want, I'm getting."
Yeah.
I'm like, "This I don't get in Bombay.
Yeah.
How does
Yeah.
this island have this thing?"
You also got tanned. I can
I
see
got
that.
so tanned.
Yeah, I got
dude.
very tanned.
Because I
Yeah, same here.
kept forgetting to put sunscreen.
Yeah.
I
Dude.
just constantly kept forgetting. I just never. I got one.
Yeah.
And then I
yeah.
just leave. And then once I'm near the ocean, I'm like, "Ah, fuck."
So similar. I put sunscreen on my face,
Yeah, but
on
forgot
my
the
arms,
body.
no upper body, no no feet. Okay, so it's very disgusting, but I can show my skin is peeling.
No, don't show.
Okay, I won't show.
Yeah. Don't show.
Yeah,
But
dude.
my skin is peeling
You
on my
said
hand.
it's very disgusting, and then
Why?
let's
It's
go.
that's just my leg in general. And then the peeling makes it better.
We'll
But-
put a picture here.
yeah, correct. So then, and the top of my shoulders is has been all peeling off.
Of
dude.
course.
It's crazy. Yeah.
But you guys ate a lot of good food. I
So
didn't
much
get a
good
chance
food.
to do that because we
Oh,
had
at the end, like on your yacht, you
no,
didn't get good
no,
food.
because at the Airbnb we were staying at, we had a private chef who
Oh
was a
man,
local.
I'm so
Yuck.
sorry.
Must have been
And the
horrible, dude.
food she made.
Did
bro.
this
Disgusting.
Airbnb have its own 7-Eleven? Like, was it? That would have.
Yeah.
That's
Dude,
the
these
only
guys would
thing.
look at 7 and like, ugh!
Man, this is the problem with rich people.
Disgusting.
Yeah,
They're missing out on
dude.
so many
Like,
things,
There
dude.
were also a lot, but like 4 of them were vegan. So they only went to vegan places and then we would sneak out.
Yeah, I
and go
don't
to
know if
nice
any of the
places.
7-Eleven stuff is vegan.
No, no,
Yeah,
no, no.
probably
They
not.
only went to 7-Eleven to get
Is-
water.
Is pork vegan? I don't know. That's all.
Yeah, maybe. I heard.
I heard. That's
Yeah,
all.
it's a plant.
Nice.
Yeah. They eat plants, right? No,
do,
they
they
do. They
do.
eat plants.
The
But
pigs eat
Yeah.
plants.
what else did you spend money
Huh.
on?
I bought a lot of shit.
You
Uh,
bought, like you shopped in Bangkok?
Yeah, I bought fake Onitsuka tiger shoes.
Dude, which don't look fake at all.
You've seen the
Yeah,
shoes.
they
Yeah,
do.
I'll send.
I
pictures.
I saw it the first time when you stepped on shit.
I did,
dog
dude.
shit
It was
on
horrible.
the road.
On
I was like,
with-
hey, that's an Onitsuka.
Yeah, but it was fake
and
Onitsuka.
you
So
will
never
feel
mind.
bad about it
Yeah,
because they're
it's-
like fake
Because-
Onitsukas.
How much did you spend?
I spent 2K. I think the original
like
is
baht
like,
or rupees?
huh? 2K converted to rupees.
Okay.
Was some 2000
Dude,
something.
that's so
Yeah,
cheap.
very good.
1,000
And dude,
baht?
they look so fucking exact. It's unbelievable. And you get copies of. You want any
Yeah,
Nike
I
shoe
know, I know.
imaginable. It's there.
Yeah.
It's
I know.
whatever you want, dude. And like for very, very
What
reasonable.
else did you buy?
I bought a very cool passport cover for the first time in my life, which I'm
Aw.
very happy about.
Aw.
Nice.
I got like you can select
you-
your own token, whatever totems
Did you,
that you put on it.
did you put an
Yeah.
Instagram story with that and your boarding pass? You're like, guess where I'm going? Like, did you?
Oh, I
Did
was
you do
already there.
that?
I definitely put it in story, but I was already there though.
That's where I'm going back home.
Back home,
I'm
dad.
going back to India.
I
Yeah,
always see that passport
Yeah,
and
correct.
boarding pass wala,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm like, man, fuck you, yuck. But then I'm like, but where are you going?
I paused the story.
Yeah,
and
like, I
can
zoom
see.
in. I'm like, I hate this kind of a story, but where are you going? Because now it'll take so many hours to know.
Today
at least-
morning only I saw one.
I also saw
Karima.
Karima, Sakshi,
Bari,
Shiv
friend of the
Dasari, all of them. And then I saw, and I was like, it's Indigo, so not too far, I think. Indigo doesn't. It's one of the Southeast
No,
Asian
but I
countries.
think it was a
probably.
connecting flight.
Oh,
because
fuck! Oh,
वो कहीं
no.
तो
Wow.
Sicily कहीं तो है वो.
That's Europe.
Wait.
Sicily hota hai.
No,
Why-
not
you-
Sicily.
Oh,
I know Sicily.
I thought you were saying like
Wait,
Sicily,
wait, wait.
Chile, like you know.
How do you pronounce this? Wait,
Chile,
tell me.
Chile. Are you talking about Chile?
Chile.
Dude, that's the near Antarctica.
Chile is near Antarctica.
That's
Ah.
how you go to Antarctica. You go to Chile ka southernmost point, and then you can go to Antarctica. Like
Kaun si
that.
jagah hai?
Seychelles.
Seychelles?
Yeah,
Where is
that's
that?
I think near Africa. Is it?
It's Seychelles.
not,
Seashells
please,
at the
Seychelles,
seashore,
Seychelles.
actually. Yeah.
No, if it's not near Africa, then please let's cut this out. But wait, let me check. I'm correct. Country in East Africa.
Yeah, they're in Africa. Why did they have Indigo passport?
Indigo goes to Seychelles. Oh my God, this looks like an amazing place, by the way.
Oh, good God, dude, that looks gorgeous. Fuck.
No, I know about this place because I've just seen people go there.
Oh,
I
okay.
don't like.
You mean
not
rich
like-
people? Rich people.
Yeah,
go there.
Yeah. No, I don't think it's that expensive. I don't know anything,
Yeah.
honestly. I don't know why I have an opinion
Dude,
about this,
when
but
India
yeah.
is that pretty, reaching there is expensive.
For sure.
For sure. How much? What flight?
I went by
did you-
Bangkok Airways, and then internally we were traveling by Thai Air.
Okay, I went by Thai Air internally. I was trying by Air Asia. Okay.
And you're traveling by Air Asia from internationally.
I actually
Yeah.
don't remember the
No.
flight I
Like
took.
within Thailand, I was taking Air Asia.
Oh, okay. And Thai Air to
Thai Air, dude. I thought I'd see less Indian uncles, but the amount of Indian uncles.
Bro, again, Indian uncles
Okay.
have money, so they'll take the better, more convenient
Dude,
option.
on the way back is when I saw most of them because in the flight I was like, there's not one woman, dude, in this. It's just, and I'm also a guy. And like now I look like I'm also coming.
I'm not a part of that. You have to
I just wore my cap and I just sat in the back. I was just like, I'm not with them, dude. I'm not. And also, when we were taking off, I was like, let me look at Bangkok at night. And there was a normal uncle only sitting. I don't think he was being a horny uncle. I think it was
just because he was sitting next to you.
No,
you
I
want
saw
to give him
how
benefit
he
of the
was
doubt.
sitting. I was like, okay, he seems like a.
Wait, how do horny uncles sit? What's
I mean,
the
I
difference?
thought he
Like
won't be
this.
horny. उनका कभी नीचे ही नहीं आने का डर है.
Always horny uncles, dude.
No, but by the way, when I was going to my seat,
Yeah.
it was towards the back, so I had to cross every
Oh,
uncle.
yeah,
No,
yeah.
and then I saw the crew, the flight ke crew ka faces. I just kept looking at them to see just a glimmer of just them being
Disdain.
annoyed. I saw it on everyone's face.
Of course, dude.
Like they were standing
100%.
and like they were just doing this,
Yeah.
and beach mein they'd be like. And then they'd go back. I'm like, oh, I saw that.
Yeah.
I saw that.
It's like a punishment for
Yeah.
them. Like if they
Like
put you on a
you-
India to Thailand flight,
Yeah.
they're like punishing you.
Thailand to India is worse.
Thailand India is worse.
Because they've done everything this. But that uncle, sorry, I was
Yeah.
talking about
Yeah.
that uncle near the window seat. And when we took off, I was like, wow, let me look outside. And that uncle was sitting in the window seat. So like, let me look outside. This guy just shoved his phone at the window, taking a video of
night time in Bangkok.
and it's some old Android जिसमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है. I was like, मैं ऐसे किए जा रहा हूँ कि view दिखे. He won't bring his phone down, dude. He recorded the whole thing like
For how
5
long?
minutes.
The entire landing.
Taking off.
Oh, taking
We
off.
took
Fuck.
off and then we're in
That's
the sky.
annoying,
I'm like,
dude.
remove that,
That's
dude. Let
damn
me just
annoying,
see.
dude. What a dick. That's super
No,
dick
I mean,
move.
I know he didn't know. He was just like,
Yeah.
मैं
No,
ये
it
घर
was
पे
probably
दिखाऊंगा.
Avoiding
first
anyone's-
time he was
It
traveling
looked like he was like,
Okay,
मैं ये
sure.
सबको
I get that.
दिखाऊंगा वाला.
Fair,
like,
fair.
Yeah,
It's a
I
cute
did.
thing.
Fair,
No,
fair.
but that empathy only lasted 2 minutes. Then I was like, fucking remove that phone.
Yeah. Now we're in the air, dude. Let
Yeah.
me see.
Let me see Bangkok at night.
This might be the last piece of land I see ever.
Oh my god.
Depending on how things are going, dude. The most amount of money we did spend there went to a lot of parties. We went to Illusion, one of the biggest
Oh,
nightclubs
yeah.
in all of
Yeah.
Southeast Asia, which is in
Yeah.
Phuket. We also went to this bar hopping thing that we did in Bangkok, and in Koh Samui we went to the full moon party, which was
Koh-Phangan.
that's where it was. Yes, correct. I think you're right. By boat, we went
No,
somewhere.
it's very close. I
Yeah,
think.
correct. From there,
Yeah.
only you have to get a ferry, and they take you like an hour or something.
Yeah.
And it's
Did you enjoy partying there? Like, are you a party person? in
not at all,
general?
not
Yeah.
at all. But ठीक है ये भी experience कर लिया.
Experience,
You know,
हाँ.
why not? It was fine.
Yeah.
However parties are, however you expect parties to be, an island of wild partying,
Yeah.
packed to the brim.
Yeah.
That's what the full moon party was, and Illusion was, and these.
Illusion, I was there for New Year's and like this.
You there for New
Yeah,
Year?
it was-
Yeah.
I've
gets-
also been there, but I've
And that
not
entire
any.
street was just.
Yeah, it's called Bangla Street.
Bangla Road,
Sorry.
Bangla
Bangla
Street.
Road in
Yeah.
Phuket. And yeah, I was there at Illusion. It was party was great. Like as
Yeah.
far as parties go,
Exactly, as
it
far
was
as-
amazing. The DJ was great.
Exactly.
There was aerial aerobatics happening
Yeah,
there.
crazy.
So everything was
Crazy, yeah,
amazing. But
correct.
I could have done this in Bombay also.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
And it's not appealing in Bombay also. You know, it's not appealing
Yeah,
anywhere
I
really.
didn't enjoy that.
Yeah.
I don't
Gotta be
like
into that.
if there's something to do at the party, then sure.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
why I like karaoke because at least
Yeah, correct.
But
there's
then it's not a
something to
party.
do.
Like,
Correct.
this
I
is
know.
Like a,
Arey, but isme what?
It's
I
just standing
stand.
and,
What do I? I'm not
yeah,
gonna just
dude.
I mean,
stand.
we had a table, so
That's
Ah,
worse.
dude.
Wait, was your private chef at the table,
Yeah.
or did the restaurant make
It
you
was a
food?
private, not a bartender, but like a butler
Yeah, I guess.
who was just like getting us stuff. Like we didn't have to go anywhere. Like, hey, ye la na.
Wow.
I'm so
We
sorry
always
again,
get this
dude.
big absolute vodka का bottle when
Ah,
just
nice.
क्या बड़ा है भाई ये
Dude,
क्या?
you-
बड़े वाले जो आते हैं
मेरे को
उसमें से
नहीं
सिर्फ
फुहारे
fireworks निकल रहे थे
Fireworks?
हाँ।
तो पीते कैसे?
हाँ?
पीते कैसे
नहीं
फिर?
नहीं फिर वो खुल जाता है वो जब लेके
Dude.
आते हैं वो दिखाना होता है उनको
This Hoshang is so ungrateful. His friends got him a table. And
I
she's like, no, I
paid
hate
for
this.
all of that.
A
I hate
butler,
this.
a private chef.
I
अलग
also had
से-
to pay for
had to
it.
pay
I
for it.
didn't want to. That's
Just
what I'm
very
saying.
sad.
I had planned that trip. It would have been very
Yeah, of course.
different.
Sure. Yeah.
But I was there
Yeah.
for my friends. Who
Let's
I
all
love
let's
very
all go
much.
together sometime, man.
I
Yeah.
really want to
It'll
go
be damn
with
fun.
you guys.
Yeah,
It'll
yeah,
be a
yeah.
baller time.
Right now, I don't have money, but like,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
let's
In like a
right
year or so,
now-
yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah, right now.
Yeah.
At this island Kotao mein we were scuba diving, like we reached there, and the next day only we started the scuba diving course
Okay.
because it was a 3-day thing. It was actually a 4-day thing. First days they send you a video, watch it, and we didn't watch it. And
Well, like as homework. What you did wrong. Learn
nahi,
from
nahi,
this.
just like it's a 2.5 hour video, and
You were in underwater for 2.5
Abey,
hours.
nahi,
No,
nahi, nahi. They first day they send you a video.
Like a tutorial.
Oh,
It's a tutorial.
tutorial.
A tutorial video.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that's the first day.
Yeah.
And we didn't watch it.
Yeah.
And the next day they didn't ask. And we're like, okay, good. And then we didn't do shit. But then after that, we had to wake up at 6 in the morning or something for 2-3 days.
Yeah.
So then we'd go to a hostel where we had our rooms, private rooms, but then it was still a hostel. And the guy, the manager there or something, he asked us the first day, ki, hey guys, party today. And like, we were like, no, we have to wake up at 6 tomorrow. We're not partying. And they were like, he was like, okay. And then the next day, he was like, guys, there's another party today. I was like, dude, tomorrow also we have to wake up at 6. And then he was like, we didn't say 6, we were like, we have to wake up. And he was like, oh, when do you have to wake up? Because he knew we were going scuba diving, and we were like, we have to wake up at 6. He's like, that's early. I was like, you live on the same island,
Yeah.
you don't. And by the way, that island is known for scuba diving.
yeah,
It's not
yeah.
a random place. That's when I realized there are 2 Kotaos, dude. One, सुबह मैंने जिनको भी देखा ना 6 बजे, उनको मैं
सिर्फ
शाम
scuba
को
के
देखा
देखा
ही
ही
नहीं
नहीं
मैंने.
है.
शाम को अलग लोग बस पार्टी
Nice.
किए जा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे सुबह डाइविंग किए जा रहे हैं. That's the whole vibe of that place.
I just love drinking coffee there, dude. At
Yeah.
every place, I was just like eating food, drinking coffee, getting high
Man.
Hey,
I-
shh.
I cannot.
legally.
Yeah.
Yes.
Dude, again, like clearly the three of us are and will be smitten by Thailand for a
Yeah,
while.
yeah.
I would recommend, dude, stop fucking, if you can, put in a little bit more money. Just
But
stop
that's
going
why
to
it's
Goa
not
altogether.
A little bit more because only the travel cost is high.
That's
Yeah,
what.
by the
Only
way-
travel
Yeah.
is not that expensive.
By the
also.
way,
it is
ये
okay.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा गोवा से सब बोल रहे हैं.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा नहीं है
गोवा
भाई.
में एक वीकेंड 25,000 में कर चुका हूँ.
एक
Okay,
weekend
हाँ.
पे अपन 10 दिन थे. We spent not more than 30-35,000.
True.
But depends on
And-
where you're staying, how you're staying, and all.
Good,
that.
well.
You can.
Yeah, dude,
Staying
we spent
well,
well.
eating well,
We
yes.
ate so much,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
at the
Eating
best
well.
places. And we rented a car. We did like we weren't
Everything.
हाँ हमने
Okay.
अच्छे से खर्चा
25
किया
में
वहाँ
हो
पे.
नहीं 25 नहीं उससे
30,
ज़्यादा हुआ.
35.
30.
Okay.
But like
यहाँ पे तो हाँ यहाँ पे
Thailand
खर्चा
would
होता है.
cost.
And we
अबे
traveled by
flight
flight
ticket
only.
मेरा उतना था.
हाँ.
वो तो
यहाँ पे.
flight ticket is a little bit more for
That's
sure.
what. वो
Yeah.
तो खर्चा होता ही है.
Yeah, वो तो that's unavoidable. But I feel like once you're there, things
Yeah.
are very reasonable
Yeah.
and very affordable for sure.
Yeah.
And
If you plan
certain
it
things are even
properly.
cheaper
Yeah.
than
Not
India.
what is cheap? No, because again,
Dude,
you're
like
comparing
food-
it to Bombay prices.
हाँ,
If
Bombay.
you look
Yeah,
at it
for
from
sure,
rest of
bro.
the country,
Like, dude, what
No,
am I?
the coffees are cheaper than here.
Dude, even food is cheaper
They
in
are.
general.
They are.
Wherever
Some,
you eat. Yeah.
मेरे होटल के बाजू में I got great fucking coffee
Yeah.
for 80-70 baht I
yeah.
think.
I told you where I was fucking up, right? So
Yeah, this fucking guy, dude. What the fuck is this guy?
What?
I think he told you also. But yeah.
So one bath is what
2.7.
2.7
Oh, yeah.
I think now
when I had
2.6
gone
was
when
there.
I had gone it was like 2.4 or 2.5. So I was just because it's easier to multiply by 2. So
Oh,
I was
God.
just
You don't
What a
round
rookie
down,
mistake,
dude.
dude.
You round up.
I know, but the maths is easier if you do it. And you feel good in the moment. Ki, oh, 50 baht. That's
Wow,
what.
this is
100
damn
rupees.
cheap.
Like, hey.
And what if you keep reducing it? 50 baht, that's 50 rupees only. That's the same. That's the same as keep reducing it every
Oh, not
time.
that
Wow, my budget is only 10,000 rupees.
Dude, I did the same thing in Dubai also. So instead of multiplying by 23, I was multiplying it by 20.
You never
And yeah, over
round down.
thousands of it. Dude,
You
all-
never round down.
Yeah,
That
never.
is an insane
Correct.
thing
Yeah,
to do.
I
true.
fucked up royally. Anyway.
What's your budget from 1.2 lakhs to 2-3 lakhs actually? I
I
don't know.
thought I'd spend 2.5 lakhs.
Depends
but
on
it was
what.
3 lakhs.
Wow. Wow, that's,
Depends
that's a
on
lot.
what you think a bath is worth.
Really. Yeah.
Oh man. Wow, we're
Well,
all having
please.
withdrawals. We
Yeah,
both
dude,
are
for
having
sure, bro.
You
withdrawals.
guys
100%.
just went and you're
Dude.
having withdrawals. I went 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And still like, fuck.
For sure,
I
bro.
was there, dude.
How do you...
It's okay, man.
Dude, I'm sure like we will trigger a lot of people's Thailand memories right
Yeah.
now.
Sorry,
yeah.
I got very comfortable. I said there's a nice big
Sweat
patch here.
patch.
Just gonna go back to sitting like this. How you
Oh,
saying?
well.
But
Chalo.
why
Chalo,
you guys...
moving. Huh?
Oh, sorry. Yeah, moving on to? What are we moving on to?
Moving on to what you've been up to, dude.
Oh,
You-
yeah,
you
yeah,
put on
that's-
this awesome
We are
thing. that
done
you've
with
been-
Thailand.
Yeah, no, while
Talk.
you guys were spending money,
Yes.
I was busy making money.
Yes, but how much
Uh,
money really? Because we know what you were doing.
Yeah.
There's not that much money in the entire industry.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
let's
Like,
chill.
I never said I was making a lot of money. I said I was making money
Yeah.
in this period. But I was in Himachal for a shoot.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
I thought we were talking about
Oh,
the other
we're
thing.
talking about
also.
the play, bro.
Oh, yeah.
You did a play.
Yeah, I wrote a play, guys. I'm a
What the
playwright now.
fuck?
What the?
But that was before.
We care about your writing process,
Yeah,
or
yeah,
that someone is paying you for.
okay, no, no.
Fuck Himachal,
Yeah,
dude. Talk about the play.
Yeah. You know, but Himachal gave me some
Fuck
money.
Himachal.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
that gave
Yeah.
you
It
money.
gave me money. It
But
was a
I
great
want to talk
shoot.
about the play.
The play. Okay, so these guys reached out to me. This is called Micro Theatre. Please check them out on Instagram. They put up short plays and they literally do it on the basis of
They
vibes.
give work to anyone. Like,
Yeah,
so
on the
just go.
basis of vibes. Like I met these guys at a birthday party and
Yeah.
I'd been to their show before and they're great actors and I'd seen some play. They're like, oh, this is fun.
They're theater actors.
They're theater actors
Okay,
and
wow.
producers of this thing called Micro Theatre, which
Okay.
is like 6 short plays. And we
As
met at a
one
bo-
show, they put up
As
6
one
short
show,
plays as
correct,
one show.
together,
Got it.
together.
Yeah.
And I met them at the birthday party and we like hung out for a bit and literally they're like, hey, you want to write a play for us? Like, dude, we have spoken for 15 minutes.
Did you think it's a kids play?
No, I wanted
No,
to
no,
A kid's
probably.
birthday party, you said, no?
You know,
No,
you.
it wasn't.
Oh,
this
a birthday
is,
party. Oh.
how fast my Thailand trip happened. Like, it's the same.
Yeah, let's go, I
speed.
guess.
Someone's like, you want to do
Hey,
this? You're like,
Yeah,
yeah.
hey, did they ask you want to do something spontaneous? They did.
They were just like, hey, you want to try something new?
Oh.
like, you want to write a
Yes.
play? I'm like,
Yeah.
no, dude, fuck off. That was the first reaction. Like, no, I don't want to write a play. But they're like, this will be a fun writing exercise.
Yeah.
And then I asked them about, like, does this pay anything? And the expression
The
on their
dog.
faces changed, dude.
Of
They're
course,
like,
dude.
You know, it's like 6 plays, so each play has like around 3 actors, and each play also has a writer director, and we make this much money, so we divide it. So I calculated it on my free time. If they were to pay each person, would have gotten.
Can you guess?
Okay, yeah,
500 rupees.
close.
Close. 800 rupees.
900.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
oh,
And
that's
by the way-
nearly 1,000,
Nice.
dude. That's good.
By the way, we sold out. We sold around 600 tickets.
What?
Yeah.
600 tickets?
in across 8 shows.
This is a very popular show.
It's
like
not
people
a
knew this
popular
was
show,
happening.
but it's just like word of mouth, and they've been
Wow,
doing it for a
dude.
while. But
That's
because the
epic.
cast is so, and, you know,
Yeah.
I made it worse for them. Usually, when they're doing plays, each play has around 2 to 3 actors.
Okay.
And 1 writer director.
Okay.
But I knew I was gonna get busy with some other work, so I needed somebody to come with me. So I called my friend Karan Veer, who directed it with me, and
Okay.
I only wrote it.
Okay, sure.
And I did an ensemble. So in my play, there are 8 characters.
Oh, wow. An ensemble cast. A fucking Arrested Development Avengers this guy is making.
So then,
Community.
they were like, oh fuck, now we can only pay each person 200. It's
Yeah,
reduced so much. Just because of Hoshan's play. Now we're down to 200.
I spent a lot of money on this place just because I would have to go for rehearsals. If I'm going out for rehearsals, I'm ordering food there. I'm drinking coffee. I'm spending money on prop because I want to make the play well. And these guys are all very rich, dude. Like they're all rich Bombay kids.
Yeah.
And so
Sure.
the place we were rehearsing at the first few days, I thought the producer of this play, he lived in that building.
Huh.
And that's why we have access to the ground floor.
Huh.
3 days into rehearsal, I realized he owns the
It's
building.
his building.
It's his building.
What's his
What?
name?
I don't want to say.
Abbe, you said micro theater.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Ryan.
How do you think?
Ryan.
You're,
Ab chupa raha hai.
you're rehearsing. The
Rehan.
the theater is in
Not
his.
the theater.
Then
Just
No,
the
the
rehearsal.
rehearsal space.
Rehearsal
Like
space.
it's
And
it'd be-
basically
it's
a
a-
very big building, and the ground floor there's a conference room kind of a place
Oh, okay.
where
okay,
all the
got it.
plays would get rehearsed
Oh,
and
wow,
like
okay, okay.
classes are happening or
It's
whatever.
amazing.
It'd be funny if you're like, hey Rehan, where do I have to come? He's like, Rehan House. What? The fuck?
And I'm still confused. Oh, do you live here?
No, it's Rehan View.
But the process of writing the play. So we were all given 15 minutes each, okay?
Okay.
And the draft I submitted was 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And supposed to be again 10 minutes.
15,
15
minutes.
minutes.
15
Sorry,
minutes. Then, middle of rehearsal, I got a gig which took me to Himachal. So I left. Now
nice.
my director asked to chop it down from 30
Oh,
to 15.
dude.
But and this is not because of this reason, but both of the founders, Ryan and Jahan, they're incredible actors. And I'd seen them on stage before, so I wanted them in my play.
Okay, sure.
So I got them in my play. And
Were there people who were part of multiple plays?
Mm,
Except for them.
Yes.
A couple.
A couple, yes.
Oh,
A
okay,
couple.
okay, understand.
Ha. But like then they had like shorter roles
Yeah.
in each play because they would have to change and
Sure.
all of that.
Yeah, sure.
So I got both Ryan and Jahan, the producers, in my play, okay? The final duration of our play was 21 minutes.
Was the
But we
longest?
lied to them. We were like, oh, it's 16, it's
Oh, wow.
17.
Hey, I don't know how it went longer. They kept
And they're
clapping.
on stage, so they can't be like, cut it down because
Yeah,
their
correct.
lines are getting cut down.
Correct. Of course.
Good. Very
So
nice
yours was the
tactic.
longest, was it?
That was
Nice,
the longest.
nice.
And I'm not saying this, but a lot of people have
Dude.
told me our play was the best.
Dude, that and I saw you got a standing O, dude.
We got 2 standing ovations.
Fucking
Dude,
baller.
I went to watch the play.
Yeah.
It was a their play is very good, by
Yeah.
the way. And in the end, they're all together, and only Hoshang bows down. and like, huh? And then like whoever's next to him, they're all holding hands now. Whoever's next to him, thoda zabardasti, that person also thoda comes down. No one else
Oh,
bows.
hilarious.
Then they all bow down, and I was like, great. This is exactly the kind of theater I want to
It
watch.
took me 4 shows to get the bow right.
That's cool.
I had the best time of
Yeah.
working on this play because dude, I want to just mention this one
Yeah,
thing.
because you
guys
weren't
won't be
there
able to
half
see
the
it.
time when the plays we were.
Yeah.
Of course you had the best time, dude. Best half the time was great, dude.
I had the best time in Himachal.
Making a play so easy. You only have to be there for half a month.
Hey, but to be fair, before leaving for Himachal, I was going for rehearsals every day. And I was working on call also with Karan.
Yeah.
Like, we would sit down at night and then we would like, okay, we have to remove this, we have to remove that. You guys won't be able to see it, but we will be turning it into a full-length play eventually, so come for that. But there's this character
It'll
in my
actually be
play.
2 hours, then Karan will reduce it to 1 hour when Hoshang goes somewhere else. Yeah.
Dude, I was just only concerned about jokes, right? Because
sure.
I wanted to be a funny play, and Karan is a theater artist, so
Nice.
he basically turned it into a play. I wrote a sketch,
Oh.
so Karan would be like, so we'll do this, we'll do that. Like, listen, all that is fine. Is it still funny? did you remove that joke? Like, dude, stop thinking about the joke. Like, alright, fine.
Yeah.
But what I wanted to say was, just want to give a shout out to this one actor. His name is Gaurav Manwane. He was. I can't reveal the premise of the play, but he's one of the important characters. But he only has 2 lines through the play, okay? But he's on stage throughout.
Okay.
This guy, you remember the guy in
I don't know who Gaurav Manwan
victim.
is, but. Oh, okay, yeah,
the
that
victim.
guy.
So he only has a
We'll
couple
put
of
his photo
lines.
here.
I'll put the play photo.
Yeah.
He only has 2 lines in the play, and throughout the time he's only reacting through his expressions. Okay, like whatever is happening in front of him. Though it's a courtroom comedy.
Yeah.
So there's a defense lawyer and a prosecutor, and they're going back and forth. So he has to react to that.
Okay.
By the end, there's this one point at the closing. This guy starts crying,
Oh, yeah.
and he
No,
cried
no, it's part of the play,
every
but-
show.
But that's, dude,
I didn't
That's-
return it.
that's,
Oh, really?
that's
I hadn't
crazy.
written the
No, I
crying
saw
part.
that and I was like, yo, he's crying. What the
I had
fuck?
not written it. Dude, even Abhay Kumar, he's a comedian. This was his first
He's
time
also in the
acting.
play.
He's in
Yeah.
the
Dude,
play.
I heard he
He's
was
the
epic.
main. He
Yeah.
nailed it.
He
I
was
heard
very
it was
good,
great.
dude. He was so
Abhay,
good.
He
yeah,
was
what is it?
incredible.
Yeah.
It's so bad that they can't see it, dude. You keep mentioning. You just keep mentioning more and more
Keep
actors.
an eye out. It's called A Very Serious Matter. We'll do a full length play in the next couple of
I
months.
can't
We'll
wait to
put
watch
shows.
it. I'm very upset.
But
that I didn't
dude,
watch.
each and every actor, even my defense lawyer, I can go on and on about all
Your
the
defense lawyer
actors.
in real life. Wow, dude, nice.
Dude, she
Her defense lawyer was great.
Dude.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, okay,
I-
okay.
yeah,
Stop mentioning
Yeah,
people
yeah,
because
yeah,
they
yeah.
can't watch
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah,
So
Correct.
we'll do
These
it
are all
when it
serious
comes out.
actors. They've done movies,
Wow.
Yevo, and they left all of that because they love the play so much. They're like, we'll come be a part of, even if they had like 2 lines.
Dude.
So this guy would just cry on
Dude,
cue.
that was.
How do you know these people? How do you, when you cast these people?
We auditioned.
You auditioned.
I auditioned. Dude.
Wow, dude.
Dude,
How many days?
Ushang told me he was auditioning, and anyone who came, he was like, "Yeah, you're in. Come."
भाई मेरे को ही बोल देता है यार.
Yeah,
I've learned acting and all that.
Oh yeah, he's also
Yeah.
learned acting, man.
I didn't
He's
know
an
that.
actor.
Yeah,
What do you
dude.
mean? You've not seen, guys?
You've not seen my terrible acting
wait,
videos?
Wait,
Oh,
wait.
I've seen your
Yeah,
reel.
Wait,
Yeah,
guys,
yeah.
we'll
Audition
put
reel.
we'll put a link. I'll put
Listen,
a
we
link
mentioned
below.
this earlier also,
Yeah, yeah.
and somebody asked, "Where's the reel?"
We'll
I
show it,
will
dude. Let's show
make
it.
sure
Yeah,
that
yeah.
video is there.
Yes.
It's called the week roast. This guy's doing something without a
Oh.
beard. No, that's what I love. It
Oh, that
came on my feed.
Oh,
It's an
nice.
audition, I think. No, I've seen your audition also.
Audition is the one I'm
Dude,
talking about.
everything
Yeah,
has
yeah,
come on
correct.
my feed.
That's
I
great.
only seen
feed.
audition, yeah.
Nice, that's very
Main
cool.
feed.
That's
Bill
very
Burr,
cool.
then your audition. I was like, wow. This is great.
Oh, dude.
No, but when I went to watch this play,
Yeah.
a bunch of us went to watch the play, and for some reason we sat in the front row.
Dude, that was so
And
funny.
it's the weirdest, dude. You're just looking at them like this. In one play, one of the guys comes to the front row and he looks at us, and I'm like, I entirely get why audience members don't want to sit in the front row now, man. Usually I'm like, what are you doing? Come in the front row.
Yeah, because
No.
correct.
But I have
Yeah,
to say,
yeah, makes sense.
theater audience, very easy to please.
Nice.
Very easy to
Yeah, that makes sense.
But did you get paid? Did you get paid something?
Dude, no, I don't think any of them are. So I realized by the end, more than anything, this is a showcase for the actors.
Acting.
Because a lot
okay.
of casting people, a lot
Yeah.
of people from the industry come here, and then they get auditions on the basis of this.
So did you knew there were actually people from the industry? In
Yeah,
the audience?
yeah.
Fucking hell. Anyone famous?
Uruj
Uruj Ashfaq.
Actually,
She
Uruj
was
of
there.
course, I
probably
know
the
I was
most
there.
famous one.
really?
Okay. I mean, in terms of social media numbers, at least.
No, but like other actors or
Not
something?
actors necessarily, but like a lot of directors.
Oh, cool, dude.
They are the important people.
Yeah,
by
of
the
course.
way.
dude, casting
yeah.
people and all.
Yeah.
Of course.
So a lot of, because it's also happening in Andheri.
Yeah.
Dude, I remember seeing, you remember the dad from Balika Vadhu?
No.
No?
No.
I'll put his picture. He was there in one of the shows. I'm like, I know you.
Dude.
Yeah,
No. So he's the most famous guy.
Honestly, yeah. he's
Balika
the-
Vadhu.
the
so
dad
many
from
people.
Balika Vadhu.
Yeah, dude.
But I remember I watched the first play on the first show, and people were laughing at that. Okay, I'm like, dude, if you're laughing at this, you have no idea what's coming. I was so confident.
Epic, dude. That's awesome, man.
Where it was the
So
most
great.
like most creatively fulfilling week in a very long time. Like just seeing it
The non-paying
happen.
ones usually are.
Dude, the non-paying ones are the best. Like stand up, this
Yeah,
is so
yeah.
creatively fulfilling.
Yeah.
Even this podcast, it's so
Yeah.
creatively
Pretty
fulfilling.
fulfilling, yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, now I have a job.
Yes,
But
he
yeah.
has a job. We'll talk
Yeah,
about that in a
we'll
future
talk
episode.
about that in a future
When-
episode.
When I get fired, I
Yes.
can't talk about it.
Because there's a lot to talk about once he gets fired, though.
Dude,
Yeah.
if you allow me to talk, you
hey, later,
Hey.
later. But okay, that's been the end of
But
this
yeah, thank you so much
episode.
for watching. We'll
If you
be-
watch till here,
Yes.
If you watched till your
tell us about your Thailand trip.
No,
hashtag. Hashtag.
Hashtag,
Also tell us about your Thailand. trip if you
hashtag
are
go
right.
watch Ho Shang's play. No, nobody's
No,
interested in that.
there,
Okay.
but because there's no play right now.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Hashtag,
No, don't watch Ho Shang's play ever.
Hashtag Thailand gaya kya?
Okay, nice. Let's do that.
Hashtag
Yeah.
Thailand gaya kya? Please,
Yeah.
please comment that if you've reached here. And also, wait.
Also, we'll try to be more consistent now. We
Yes.
have some episodes lined up. After this, you'll see some live shows.
Yes.
And come for live shows. We'll put them more.
Yeah, if
Coming
you
next
guys come, then we'll put more live shows. No,
Yeah.
we can't
Yeah.
promote the live shows.
Yeah, we
No,
can
no.
promote the one which is happening.
Yeah, there's one happening this weekend,
Yeah.
but you guys, we will not edit it by then. And
Yeah.
Keep asking
You don't-
Govind every day
it-
when its video is coming out, so it doesn't get lazy.
Stand up.
with it.
No, no,
It's
no.
very funny.
yes, thank you.
He's put a lot of fucking work on it.
Okay, I don't know what to say to any of this, but yes, thank you. Thank you.
Please
Uh,
watch everything that
yeah.
everyone's doing. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
watch everything, follow everyone.
Yes.
eat food. Bye.
And you know, just share, just fucking share.
Yeah, by the
Yeah,
way,
just
share
spread the
love,
word,
give
spread
us
the
money.
love, so that I don't
And-
have to do
yes.
this job.
Hey,
Correct.
I don't want to do this
we'll
job.
talk about his job later. Okay, bye. See you. Bye.